Hey everyone, and welcome back to our how-to videos on city modeling and multi-sunlight analysis. So from the previous video, we have learned how to model precinct, which we can see here. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to actually set up your geographic location. And before we do that, we first want to start off by creating a new layer called multi-sunlight study or multi-sunlight analysis, depending on how you like, and we need to assign it as our layer. For now, we can actually go ahead and hide our base map, so we can turn that off through our layers panel, and we can actually even turn off our city model block as well, just so we don't get confused. Grid back, if we go to this icon down here where it says zoom extents selected, it'll bring back our grid. Just to double check, let's see that. So let's begin setting up our geographic location. So in the right command bar over here, where we've got the two setting icons, we can actually go and click that. Once we've clicked that, we need to select daylight. If this comes up, we select yes, and this will give us a wide panel of, so it's better to play around with. And we scroll down, we can see how we can set the time of day, and we can actually get an exact location. So once we've opened this up, you can see that we've got this little icon, meaning we can actually draw something on our canvas. So if we actually bring up and drag and select the canvas, it'll give us our first location. So once we've selected the compass, we can drag our first sunlight study up like that, meaning we can assign a location to this our sunlight direction itself. Once we have done that, if we click into our layers panel and we hit the command menu to fall down, we can see that it's actually got its own separate layers. So the compass is in its own layer, the daylight is in its own layer, the actual sky is in its own layer. So we can name these as our first sunlight direction. So once we have set that, we can go into the command panel on the right here. We can actually say get location. Unselected, it will give us thousands and thousands of options and locations to choose from. Yeah, if we scroll down and choose Australia, it will actually give us a heap of geographic locations in Australia. As we are in Melbourne, as Preston is in Melbourne, we will choose Melbourne, Australia as a geographic location, and it will pinpoint a little icon on the map here. We can then hit OK. In this, we can see that it's actually changed the direction of our sun study. And that is basically how you set up your geographical location when doing multi-sun study. In the next video, we'll be talking about setting up the times of days, and we'll begin to see how the multi-sunlight analysis begins to influence the Preston precinct. Thank you.